Hey guys, what is up and how's it going? I hope your experience with WP Travel is going really great so far. So the topic of today's video is how to add a new tab in trip page using WP Travel. So WP Travel plugin provides the feature of adding a new tab so that you can add any information of detail about the trip under the newly added tab. You can add any number of tabs as per your requirement using global tab settings or individual trip tab settings. Now the steps are pretty simple, so make sure to follow. So without wasting any further time, let's get started. So on your trip page you can see you have these default tabs being visible, which are useful, but mostly some of the users might be requiring some of their custom tabs to add some more information and add-ons. So if they want to increase the tabs, there is a feature specifically provided for that in WP Travel Pro. So after activation of WP Travel plugin, you have to head over to WP Travel and from there to settings, and there you will be able to see this tabs option under the accounts tab, and there you can see global tab settings open up. From here you can add your custom tabs, and you can see this add new tab option. Just click on it and you have this tab label tab created. So when you click on this tab, you get some options. For example, tab label, from where you can just label your tab, and you have tab content. Here you can add a description regarding your tab, and also you have a feature to add media. For example, I can add this picture of juice, and I can type here this is a juice. So, and also we can label it custom tab 1. So yeah, after you're done with adding your details, you can just save your settings, and when you refresh you can see your tab is added over here. So yeah, let's just quickly add another tab named custom tab 2 and just save the settings. So once you're done, head over to the front end page, and here you can see our custom tab 1 and the custom tab 2 displaying nicely, and also our media is visible in here. So pretty good, right? So now if you want to add the custom tabs for only specific trips, you can also do that by going to trips and all trips and select a trip of your choice, and from here just scroll all the way to the bottom, and here you can see this tabs option. Just click on it, and here you can see these default tabs are visible in here, and also an option to add a new tab. So first of all, what you have to do is, if you want to add separate tabs, you have to first of all disable this use global tab layout. After disabling that, you can add the tabs of your choice, like for example my tab. Also you can select a picture of your choice if you want. So after that you have to save your changes and head over to your front end page. So here you can see after downloads, now the tabs which we created earlier are gone, and you can see this new my tab is just popping up in here, and also our media is visible here. So yeah guys, that was how you add custom tabs for your specific trips. So I hope this feature is really useful to you and you learned something new in this video. If you did so, make sure to like this video and subscribe, and until next time, peace.